Hello, I'm here just trying to bring you up to speed on the latest development at Minelab. As you can see, we are right on my dashboard in Minelab, and there have been two new developments, two new features which have been added onto the program. The features are basically an investment platform, which is another feature separate from the mining activity, which is the main activity. You also have a new introduction of a Minelab community token. If we go down the dashboard, the community token is indicated right at the bottom. The community token, just like most community tokens, here it is, MELB, that's a Minelab community token. So you can see a chart, you can see go for the contract and you can buy it. This is the current price of the community token. Community token at the beginning is meant to just serve as a token for the community so that various features and benefits can accrue to members. But as is very well known, as there is wide adoption, as that begins to take place, of course it will begin to attract much more patronage than just being a mere community token. The Minelab community token was initially launched via PancakeSwap website, but it has now in fact also been listed on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, this is CoinMarketCap website, and this is the token MELB, and that's the current price. So these are the various transactions that have been taking place as of today. Well, you find the Minelab community token symbol right at the left-hand bottom side of the dashboard. You will find that for the investment program on the right-hand side. Here it is. Basically, if you look at the dashboard now, you can see I've already upped my investment. I now have about 102, 3, 4 thereabout hash rate, and each hash rate costs $8. That implies that I have about $800 invested in the mining section of Minelab. Now, going to the investment side, once you click on the investment icon, it will take you to this page. This page, you can see Minelab Invest. These are the features of the investment platform. It says invest now in hour-based crypto trading, investment information, 14 days runtime, initial investment back. That is, after the 14 days, you get your initial investment back. You earn 55% interest rate fixed over the 14 days period. And then the minimum to invest is 0.05 BTC. This is roughly about $1,400 and something dollars. That is it. And then you see all other details pertaining to this investment program below. That is, you insert the amount here, and then you can pay just as the mining section too, using any currency. That is, you can use any other Theta, you can use Litecoin, you can use Ethereum, you can use BTC itself. Basically, that's how it operates. This 55% interest rate fixed over that 14 days period, if you do a conversion, comes to about 3.9% on a daily basis. That is obviously very lucrative, and it's higher than what you get for mining. In mining, you get between 2.8 to 3%. That's why it's stated as you getting up to 3%. It's usually between 2.8 to 3%, sometimes 3.1%. So you can see that if it's the investment section, you earn roughly about 3.9%, so which makes it more lucrative than the mining section. So basically that's it. If you are interested, you see a link at the bottom of this video. Go ahead, sign up, and you're welcome to earning some crypto. Thank you. To ensure you always see our updates in your subscription timeline, please click on the subscribe button below this video. Once you are subscribed to our channel, you will see a bell button beside the subscription button. Please click on the bell button to ensure you are immediately notified as we upload any video content.